Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
electric meat grinders.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hello, Internet! You've been asking for it for years, and with over 500,000 units sold, STX International thought it was about time to give you the official video for the STX Turboforce 3000 electric meat grinder. We're going to introduce you to the product, we're going to show you the proper way to assemble, we're going to give you some pro tips on its use, and then we're going to walk through cleanup. The Turboforce is a meat grinder and is not designed to grind bone or soft bone. If any of you watching are looking for a grinder that can grind soft bones for your pet's natural food diet, we do carry the STX Turboforce 2 and the STX Magnum 1800. Here are all the components of the Turboforce. This is the size 12 grinding head. Most kitchen grinders come with a size 5 or size 8. That means the Turboforce will grind 2 to 3 times as much meat in the same amount of time as other grinders. The Turboforce auger comes with what we call an advanced variable intake design, allowing you to grind larger portion sizes of meat, which means easier and faster work for you. The Turboforce also comes with 3 hardened steel grinding plates, our wagon wheel design for a coarse grind, our 1/4 inch plate for a medium grind, and our 5/32 plate for a finer grind. Last is our beaner plate for sausage stuffing. The Turboforce comes with a polished aluminum meat tray, a front locking cap, and 3 stainless steel cutting blades. The Turboforce comes with 3 cutting blades because you're going to have a better grind if you match a cutting blade to each of the grinding plates. And these parts should not be washed in a dishwasher or air dried, but cleanup is fast and painless. And grinding plates are made, should be hand washed right after use. And that's our rundown of the STX Turboforce 3000 electric meat grinder.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart electric meat grinder. There's several different options when you're going to be using this to grind meat, and I will show them to you now. In here, this is your feed tube, but it's also doubles as a storage container. So you have your regular size sausage, your breakfast sausage attachment. This happens to be your coarse grinding plate, and this plate you're going to use to make sausage, use with these to make sausage. Inside the machine, I already have mounted the medium grinding plate. I'm just going to show it to you. I'm going to show you what else is inside. So this is the medium grinding plate. This is your cutter assembly. That's what actually cuts the meat as it goes through. And then this is what we call the auger. That's what's going to help move the meat through this through the tube. Make sure the auger is in all the way. Then you add the cutter. Line up this notch with this right here. Put the plate in place. And then put the nut on and make sure you hand tighten it. The other thing is this hopper is completely removable. You're gonna pull that apart. That's where you're going to put your meat to. So you saw how quickly and easily it is. That's going to give a really good texture to a lot more fat in it, so it'll be really rich and unctuous. So the other thing, meat as a substitute for my pasta sauce, so that's really great for that. The thing to do is wet your hands first so that the meat doesn't stick to it and makes it a
Let's just get this unboxed. And there you go. All right, that's my unboxing. That was nice and quick. Look at all these attachments in this thing. This HouseNet grinder comes with all of this stuff. All right, well, obviously you have the hopper for the top of this. It has the grinding head. It has a large cutting plate that's already assembled in here. It's got a medium grinding plate and a small grinding plate. It has a food chamber for all your slicing attachments. It has a slicer, it has a grater, and it has a medium and a large shredding for shredding. And it also comes, and this is pretty cool, it also comes with a tomato juicer, and you just put this together and this goes inside of here. Okay, and then you got your cap, and then make your own tomato juice. So that feature's pretty cool for a grinder. Of course, you get your sausage tube for making sausage. All these attachments you don't want to put in your dishwasher. They're very easy to clean. Run them under hot water, use some soap, get them nice and cleaned up, and rinse them. That's it. Okay, hopper flips on like this. Let me show you. Okay, so let's go inside. I'm going to show you how this thing works. We're going to slice some stuff up. I'm going to show you how easy everything is to work on this. And first thing we're going to do is get it washed up. So let's go inside and get that done. Once again, this is not dishwasher safe. You just want to rinse it in hot water, soapy water, drag, get it all cleaned up. And 2 ribeye. Take that out. And again, push the button clockwise.
At Weston, the same things that drive you drive us. We value freshness, flavor, and knowing exactly where our food came from. Weston's professional series of electric grinders can process 4 to 18 pounds per minute, depending on which model you choose. The line ranges from a 1/2 horsepower model to a 2 horsepower model, which are rated from 375 to 1500 watts. All models have an offset head design for easy loading and are made with precision engineered stainless steel gears that let you handle your game with speed, power, and rugged durability. The professional line of grinders features a permanently lubricated, air-cooled motor and a 5-year limited warranty, giving you the peace of mind that our grinders will be there for you next hunting season and many more to come. With a built-in knife sharpener, convenient carry handle, and nested accessory tray, it includes all the accessories you need to process your food and keeps them close at hand. It's easy to clean because it's a snap to take apart. It comes with 2 grinding plates, coarse and medium, so you can make any kind of sausage or patty you like. Speaking of sausages, it also comes with a sausage stuffing kit that'll make your grilling buddies completely jealous and beg for seconds. Weston's professional series of grinders give you the control you expect over your food processing. We help you process, preserve, and where our food came from. Grinders can process 4 to 18 pounds per minute. 1/2 horsepower model to a 2 horsepower model. Models have an offset head design for easy loading and are made with precision. Handle your game with speed, power, and rugged durability. Peace of mind that our grinders will be there for you next time. Knife sharpener, convenient carry handle, and nested accessories you need to process them close at hand. Clean because it's a snap. Plates, coarse and medium, so you can make any kind of sausage or patty you like. Your grilling buddies completely jealous and beg for us. Give you the control you expect over your food processing. We help you process, preserve, flavor, and nourishment for your family. At Weston, it's our pleasure to be there with you as you